I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and I bought some keycaps for my keyboard. Review in the other post. First, I got a cable, the keyboard, that I put a sticker on. Then the cable, I made a video for you guys as well. And because it's the keyboard forum, this video will have no affiliate links. Okay, so I bought some blank keycaps because I feel the best way to learn to type faster is A, buy a mechanical keyboard, and B, take out the keys one by one and replace them with blank keycaps. So if you replace one keycap every week, in maybe 6 months, you've probably replaced almost all the ABC alphabet, and if you can type without looking at the keys, it's much faster. Let's check it out. No bubble wrap, I don't like it. But these are not fragile, so 20 keycaps. Keycap puller, oh yeah, I need this. This is also a switch remover tool, but as someone pointed out, thank you, that my Magic Refiner 14 keyboard is not hot swap, oh my god. So today, Lazada 99 sales, I bought the SK64S mechanical keyboard with Bluetooth. Why did I buy a Bluetooth keyboard? Well, the version without Bluetooth was half the price, but it only came with either brown or red switches, and I want clicky. So instead of buying a keyboard, hot swap keyboard, and replacing all the switches, which is going to cost me about 100 ringgit anyway, I just bought a keyboard which has blue switches and happens to have Bluetooth. Okay, let's check out this. What key should I replace first? Let's start with the D. Always start with the D. I guess this keycap puller got a bit bent in transport. Spread those legs. Jack Review Stuff recommends unplugging your keyboard before pulling out any keys, but Jack Review Stuff also likes the green color, so he was not going to unplug the keys, nor is he going to look carefully. Okay, whatever. Cable review, next video. This is my desk mini. What am I doing? Okay, ready? Oh, where did it go? I don't know. It's not important. Hey, blue switch. I hope these keycaps are symmetrical, so I can't put them in upside down. Would you say it's the same way upside down or not? Leave a comment. These are, what are these? These are PBT keycaps, so they won't get all shiny later on. You know what? I think I should replace the F and the J keys first, since it can help me find the home row. So I did say earlier to do one key a day, but I think to start you can remove two, starting with the home row. Ooh. These are slightly low profile. I've ordered some low profile keycaps, which are 5mm. They should be coming in soon. Today's 99 sales. Chair review. Secret Labs. Hand stuck. Secret Labs. Subscribe. And have fun with your keyboard. For starters, we can see that they're different heights.